Good day. For today's video, we are going to discuss Quarter 3, Music and Arts 8, Lesson 1, Week 1 and 2 of DepEd Matitag curriculum. Let's begin. Royal Resonance, Unveiling the Court Music of East Asia. Developing and Deepening Understanding, Explicitation. Letter A, Court Music of China, The Majesty of Peking Opera. Letter B, Court Music of Japan, The Celestial Elegance of Gagaku. Letter C, Court Music of Korea, The Refined Beauty of Hyeangik. Developing and Deepening Understanding, Worked Example. Activity 3, East Asian Art Showcase. How the activity works. Number 1. Go around the 3 stations. Number 2. At each station, do these 3 things with your group. Number 3. After exploring all stations, fill in the table. Station 1, China. Court Music of China, Yayu. Performing Arts of China, Peking Opera. Visual Arts of China, Shuimohua. Station 2, Japan. Court Music of Japan, Gagaku. Performing Arts of Japan, Kabuki. Visual Arts of Japan, Ukiyo-e. Station 3, Korea. Court music of Korea, Hyangik. Performing Arts of Korea, Pansori.
옛날 소리 하는 사람들은 선생님들 그런 말씀 하시는데 소리를 너무 잘하면은 그냥 순간.
Visual Arts of Korea, Minhwa Folk Painting.
For color. Parim is a traditional technique of the Minhwa to control the color and express the color graduation by concentration of the water. After painting, dry it and put it on the wall for your health, love.
Fill in the table, court music. Fill in the table, performing arts. Fill in the table, visual arts. Guide questions for exploration. Observation, court music. Performing arts. Visual arts. Comparison, court music. Performing arts. Visual arts. Analysis, what does it mean? Number 1, history. Number 2, importance. Number 3, change over time. Extended abstract. Rubric. Developing and deepening understanding. Lesson activity. Activity, torch of tradition, share what you discovered. Activity description. Instructions. Heritage Discovery Wall. Making generalization, learners' takeaways. Exit ticket, reflecting on East Asian court arts. Number 1. Evolution of art form. Number 2. Similarities and differences. Number 3. Influences on court arts. Number 4. Importance of preservation. Number 5. New insight. Evaluating learning, formative assessment. Activity, true or false. For references only. That's all for today's video. Please stay tuned for more. God bless.